so far today is we left Alma at 9 a.m. We did one more pickup. We were on the road for 2 hours, almost 2 hours. We stopped at 8 at Chick-fil-A, and now we're heading to the hotel. And hopefully we're not going to stop until then. We have 5 hours left. ETA is 4:29. And I've had my hitless curls on all day. And I've looked silly. It's okay. Now,
Also, we got Sister Shawnee's cookies in the back. They fixed it to be fire.
we'll hit her up.
Yeah. I don't want a whole one.
I don't want a whole, I just want you half. Oh yeah.
Fire.
Want that?
Yeah. I guess, I guess I'll try it.
What was that?
I was just saying, like, she gave me a cookie, I ordered an apple. It's an infinite fidget cube.
We got
Where are we at?
this for Gingy. I got this, and I got a pin to put on my pin board with all my Disney pins.
Yeah, so that tells you we're at Buc-ee's.
Oh yeah, we're at Buc-ee's.
Aubrey, rate the bathrooms.
10 out of 10, bro. I had so much space. It was crazy. And there was Germix in my stall. Like, I could just do that and be done and leave. I didn't want to be hated on, so I washed my hands. There's slide. Look, you can put sparkles in
It's kind of fluffier. $7.99, Freak Night. Ooh, that's fun.
Alright, y'all. We just left Buc-ee's. Got this kind of jerky for us, for the car. So, Lacey, what'd you get?
So this infinity cube, you can just like spin it around and do stuff with it and like keep moving it because it's fun to play with.
Lacey's very happy she had to get it. Now, we have 4 hours left, which is crazy because we've only been going for 3. It's okay. We stopped and went through a drive-thru at Chick-fil-A and sat and ate in the parking lot.
Yeah, we didn't share that with y'all because we were angry.
Yeah, we were like getting here and we were like, we just have to stop and eat. Like, let's just go ahead and do it. And I just got Lacey singing. So we're heading straight to the hotel, and I think we're gonna order pizza when we get closer to get delivered to the room. I will say I keep forgetting to vlog, and Leigha keeps reminding me, so props to Leigha for this video today.
And now time to break open that beef jerky.
So that
Gingy, when you watch this, I bought M&M's and goldfish.
She's been talking about it all freaking day, bro.
I'm ready to try it.
She's like, man, I'm ready to eat them goldfish and M&M's. I'm like, okay, go ahead and bust them out. Nah.
Nah, it's not right now.
Alright, see y'all later.
Peace.
Are we kidding?
Hey guys, we're in the St. Louis.
Chicago! Chicago!
What if, like, a decent...
Look, we're at the St. Louis rail ramp.
Rail ramp.
Rail ram.
The speed limit is 60, but everybody's flying.
Just go with them.
If they're flying, then we better get a helicopter.
Helicopter, helicopter.
What?
The arch! Where? Right there.
Oh yeah.
Arch!
No, it's gonna be on your side.
In the arch?
Yeah. The arch.
How much is that?
The arch of St. Louis.
In the arms of the angel.
Lay down and surrender now. I give you everything. Yeah.
Say I'm out of the arch.
Bye bye,
How
Arch.
pretty.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys?
We're in the hotel, obviously, and we ordered pizza. We're waiting to be fat bags and eat.
Yeah, we have to be at church in an hour.
See, he's still at the place. That's where we are. That's him.
no,
It's
not a
literally
bun.
right there, bro, and he's been there forever. All right.
All right, peace.
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 All right, the pizza is here.
Yes!
Okay. Here it is.
Well, somebody go get ice. Ice, baby.
Oh!
Ooh, that looks good.
Yes.
Well, somebody go get me ice.
All right, Laci. Don't eat the whole one. Rate it, bro.
8.5.
We're headed to the church house. Also, it's pretty warm outside.
It's 28 degrees.
Freezing.
So, yeah.
vlog.
Love you.
Look, guys. We just
You
got
can't
to
tell
church.
this is a cowgirl hat, but
Can you see Leah?
no.
Who is it?
We just got out of church and Albry wants a snack. So here we are. We don't really know where we're at, what we're doing. All we know is this is so weird.
And I have to pick it up.
Guys. Bye.
Okay, guys, look what we just walked out of Walmart too. It's snowing. It's so pretty. Okay, we look in the elevator. We look rough.
Yeah.
When we came in, the ladies were like looking at us weird because we ain't never seen this stuff before, basically.
The next morning.
Okay, so we're sitting in the Walmart parking lot right now. It snowed lots last night. I mean, more than what we're used to anyways. But Aubrey needed to go get some gloves, I think, because we're gonna go walk around and look at Peoria. I think that's how you say it.
Panda Express.
We don't really know, but so she didn't want to be freezing. So that's where she's at.
What's up, guys?
Hi.
We have 11 minutes left. We decided to go. Tell him, Laci.
Obed Isaac Bistro.
Something like that. Update, we wrapped on the same building about 17 times because they have so many one-way streets and we're not used to it. Finally found a parking lot that is open to the public.
Okay, so we're in here and it looks like a church house.
It's not any worse than Texas Roadhouse.
They quit.
No. Okay, we forgot to vlog our food, but here's what's left.
It's actually really good.
It's actually fire. I wish I would have took a picture. Those onion rings were stacked on the burger. What are y'all doing?
Got stuff on her, and I told her to use this, and she said it got the juices on me. I was like, ew.
What happened?
So apparently Aubrey is a slob and can't eat without getting sauce all over her, even though there was barely any on her food anyway.
Hey guys, we are by the river. Aubrey's that way. Leah's that way. This bridge is really pretty. We actually just pulled up to this place on the river.
This is so delicious.
Aubrey says it's susalicious. There's literally an ATM here for some reason. I stepped right on that. Leah is 3 shots of espresso in. For some reason, she thinks there's an X in espresso.
What's up, guys?
Hey guys.
You may not be able to tell, but this is Leah. We're leaving
Aubrey's is where I'm at. Why are you so angry, Aubrey? This is where I'm at.
Yes!
Aubrey.
That's what I thought.
Oh, you about got slapped in the nose. She about went whoop.
That's where I'm at.
Aubrey, tell him bye.
Bye!
That's where I'm at. I'm gonna go to the thing
I'm about to eat this Chick-fil-A.
and I'm gonna say, can I get a grande iced caramel macchiato?
Bro, what are you doing?
Just drinking this Red Bull.
Okay, we're getting ready for church. Aubrey is right there. Lacey's there, propped up, drinking Red Bull.
Great bread.
Much, much later.
Bless you!
Okay, hey everybody. Fixing to go
Leah's
get
and
dressed
sister are going to this afterburner,
and go to
so-
the afterburner so we can see all these people. Church was great. Yeah, that was probably like the Mattoon praise team because their church is Mattoon, Illinois church. So
You know what?
I thought it was gonna be the
That would
choir.
make sense.
Yeah, I thought it was gonna be the choir.
That would make a lot of sense.
Yeah, I was like, I ain't seen no ropes.
Ropes.
But they did really good. That one guy, he's really good.
Yeah, he looks like Kristoff. Besides, he has black hair.
I didn't.
Hey, I really think that he looks like that guy from Truth Tabernacle.
The
Brother Eddie?
pastor?
Yes, Brother Eddie.
Maybe the younger version.
But yeah, I know.
I think the only thing similar is that they were wearing a suit and tie
And their
black
hair. Yeah.
You
I
know
think
what?
he
I'm
looks
gonna
like-
have to agree with you right there.
Because their faces
That was it.
don't
That was it.
at all.
That's it.
Anyways, we're gonna go change clothes and
And maybe you guys can talk Leah out of going to this thing.
Who's you guys? Nobody's watching this. Love you.
Peace.
And the angels cry. You'll never guess where we are.
I bet I can guess.
What's up, guys? We suddenly have 3 more people.
Yes, and
our
the most
car.
important one right here. Hello.
No.
Oh, hello.
Wait, what?
Hello, world. My name is Eliana Shelton, but of course you already knew that.
I'm not so sure about that.
And this is Patrick. And then this is Samantha. and then we have Erica. And then we have Driver.
What's up?
And then we've got Pig Eater right here. Yeah, if you wonder where Hey went,
He's in my stomach.
well, she ate him. Yeah.
Hey guys. We're at the afterburner. We're at the volleyball courts. Here we match, bro.
Oh, we do. Slay.
really.
All right, we'll put a poll online. Who wore it better? No, her.
Stay with her all the time.
Who?
That's your sister. What's up,
What it
guys?
do? We are leaving.
Yeah, had church, went to Chick-fil-A, got all them children in our car, came here, and now we're leaving, going back to the hotel.
Fixing to crash out. Bye.
Day 3.
Good morning, ladies, and hopefully no jets.
Or all the gents.
Hi.
When jets got involved. Oh, my door's open!
Hey guys, so we're on the way to morning church. This is the first morning service because we've only had nights so far. But so we have Monday morning, we have today, Saturday morning, and then we have a night service. So, and it's over. And tomorrow we're just going home. So, we're gonna see what the Lord does.
Bye!
Bye! So we had church and it was great, and we have church tonight and it's the last service of 2:17. So we are on our way to where? Panera to get food. And then we're gonna run back to the hotel and eat it there. And Leah said we should eat it in the lobby, so that's what we're gonna do. So we'll see you when we get the food.
We got our food.
Hi, guys.
We'll let y'all guess what we're about to do.
Later.
It snowed again, I guess, while we were inside sleeping. Headed back to Take a guess. Yep, you're right, church. It says it's 19 degrees. I bet it feels like -6 or 7 degrees outside.
Did y'all hear him say that during church?
No.
He said verses 6 through 7. And I look up and everybody's doing this. I'm like, bro, stupid. It did get me. I was like,
Backseat driver.
backseat driver.
Bye, guys.
I never met you.
What's up, guys?
Okay, listen.
Last thing you see was we were on the way to church. Had church, it was crazy. Left and now we are at Texas Roadhouse. There was no wait. So we finna eat up. Got waters. Mom and Dad would be proud. But I got Coke at home waiting on me, so.
Cocaine.
It's about how we all feel.
People are staring because we're in our Sunday's best on a Saturday night.
True.
And we're filming.
True. So we'll catch y'all on the flip side. Say bye.
Bye.
Well, we're awake. The plan today is to leave in about 20 minutes and go to St. Louis to see the arch.
Yeah, the arch, the golden arch. McDonald's. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba.
What's up, guys? We're on the road. We're all packed up.
We just got done seeing the arch, the golden ones. We're still going to St. Louis. We're not there yet.
We went to McDonald's, is what she's saying, for Laci, and I'm gonna keep it a bucket. Girl don't feel good, but you know what? It's gonna be great.
I'm gonna keep it a buck, guys.
Come on here.
I think it's 2 degrees out
It's a
here.
little
I
cold.
think it's
I think it's secure.
Hey guys.
Oh, I gotta put my finger back in.
Yes.
Somebody take this.
Yes, Leah, go. Leah.
This is what I mean, by the way. Thumbs out. My ears.
Oh my gosh, I'm dying.
Dude, it's bad. It's bad.
Guys.
Alright, what's up, guys? We stopped at Starbucks, but it's like inside a hotel, so we're God knows where. If you need a cigarette, we got you. Tell them what you got.
A grilled cheese on sourdough.
Jalapeno chicken pocket.
And then I got a sausage, egg, and cheese, biscuit, muffin, whatever thing. And when I told Lady I wanted a caramel latte, I said caramel frappuccino hot. So it's really embarrassing, but it's fine. Say bye.
Guess what we're still doing?
Basically, we've had a great day. We went to the Golden Arch.
Albry,
We went to the.
you look like a turtle, bro.
We went. Turtle.
You're literally like.
Anyway, so now we're on the way to Buc-ee's, which we've already went to once, but we're gonna go again.
We're trying to pull up to church on time to pray a little bit.
Yeah, we have prayer at 6, which we're not supposed to get home till like 6:30ish. And yeah, I feel refreshed, renewed, on fire. It was a really great conference.
I would say it was as good as HRC.
Anywho, catch you later.
What's up, guys?
Hey.
We just went to Buc-ee's.
Yep.
They lost her little on the way to the car, so she ain't got one.
I got a pulled pork sandwich and a parfait. They're gone now. I don't know where they went.
I tried to take an Alka-Seltzer in my mouth.
She tried to eat it, bro.
What didn't know it was supposed to be dissolved in water?
So I put the Alka-Seltzer, tried to put it in my mouth, put it in
Oh,
there,
when
and it
goes
starts
in there.
fizzing. And I was like, what's happening? Like, I threw it up. It was disgusting.
They'd give Albry an IV and she would put it in her mouth to drink, honestly.
Probably.
She would snort an epidural up her nose. What?
I'm sorry. We got 2.5 hours until we're home. Bye, guys.
Bye.
All right, guys.
Hello, everybody, and good morning. Just kidding, it's night. Basically, what happened is we're back in Alma, and the vlog is over. So
whole
thank you
trip.
so much for joining. It was a fun trip. We had so much fun. It was great. I feel refreshed and on fire somehow at the same time. So it was wonderful. Thank you so much for joining, and we'll see you next time.
We're checking off. Oh, I'm in the wrong lane.